What's up, guys? In this video we're going to show you how to cook, cut, prepare deer heart. Yeah, basically we're just gonna clean up all this stuff. You can cut around the chamber walls, just get your knife in there and follow it. We would have had a video, but Pat hit the wrong button. It's not stopped, it's going now. Or you're not recording?
Oh, Jesus.
So we've got our heart cut into our chunks around the chambers, and we're just gonna clean up all this, cut all this stuff off. Kind of hard stuff. That looks like a pretty good fillet. All right, so we've got our deer prepared, cut up, cleaned. We're gonna try it a few different ways. So first, we're gonna try one just fried in salt, pepper, some butter, just to try the taste of it, and then we're gonna marinate some up here and do some skewers. So. Cut against the green. We're gonna make some chunks there. That's nice. Just cut up too. So you can do your favorite marinade. We're just out here, limited supply of these, so we're just gonna make something with some mustard, some chili oil, a little bit of hot sauce, and some beer.
Beer.
Yeah. Yeah. So that chili oil is almost gone, so we're just gonna do the rest of that.
Oh,
A little dab of hot mustard.
oh, yeah.
Pour a little bit of beer in there. Some hot sauce. Look at that marinade. Hopefully that's good. So we're just gonna throw that deer right in there. Mix it up good. Then we're gonna let this marry for a while, or marinate, and then we're gonna plop them on some skewers here. Get our steak salted there. Oh yeah. So our deer heart has marinated for about an hour now. We should do it a lot longer, but we're running out of daylight. So we're putting them on the skewers. So we've got our skewers heart chunks here marinated, and we've got one with some leg chunks to compare. Then we've got our 2 leg roast steaks, which we're going to compare to the heart. This is just jerky that we're making on it, and more jerky as well. We're going to cook it all over the fire. The jerky we're going to do offset heat with a lid. It's going to be good. So we're gonna put the jerky around the side here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and lay that out. Kind of making some campfire jerky. Then the steaks, we've got our pan heated up here. We're gonna throw our steaks right down in there. Sear them up in that butter.
Listen to that sizzle.
Oh yeah. Right up there. I think we are good to go. We've got about a good 3-minute sear, 4-minute sear on either side. Now we're going to take these out, put them on the cutting board, let them rest for a few minutes, and then we're going to just dig right in and test it out. This is the leg roast. Here is the heart. Let's see the difference. Deer heart steak. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the difference in the texture of the meat there. This is my first time trying deer heart.
Mine too. And I've been deer hunting for years.
So, it's still pretty hot. Actually,
I should have been saving the heart for a long time.
actually, that's very tender. Very good. It's got a little bit of the organ meat texture and flavor, but
cooked with the butter and seared.
butter and a good steak seasoning. Very good. And you can use this recipe too for cow heart, sheep heart, goat heart.
Not my heart. I can't wait to try the skewers.
Yes. Now we're smoking the jerky and the skewers. The jerky's doing nicely. We're gonna pop that lid back on and let this fire kind of die out. And just smoke for another, I don't know, 2 hours or something. That's like the star of the show, man. Look at how good that's looking. Let's try these heart skewers. Okay. I think
I like the butter better.
butter's just cooking it with the salt or the steak seasoning and some butter. That heart was good. This is great. Don't get me wrong. But I think that was just the natural, well, not natural, but just that classic way.
Flat steak, butter.
All right, man. Look at that jerky. Oh, yeah. Thick outdoorsman cut. Oh, yeah. Here you go, brother. Oh.
I got a much bigger piece, but
Yeah, you did, but you deserve it.
it's gonna be good.
Oh my God, that jerky. Look at that campfire jerky. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section below what you think, what else you want to see, and if Pat up the whole first part of the video
Didn't help.
until the next one, bakes out.
Bakes out.
I come out here and Pat's eating all the heart. Seriously good. Pat, should we do a little bite of a pepper? Of our
That's what I
hot
was
garden peppers?
just gonna do. Just so you know.
Okay.
A little spicy.
It's got some heat.
Good.
That's got some heat.
That's a big zucchini.